So here is just a quick preview of WhatsApp channels feature and how to know if it's available for you yet or no. So here is the official blog from WhatsApp where it just says WhatsApp channels are going global. Today we are excited to launch WhatsApp channels to over 150 countries and deliver a private way to receive updates that matter to you. So what is channels? So basically, in my opinion, it's just like a copy feature from Telegram. So in Telegram, this feature is already going viral. Telegram, though, is popular in specific markets and specific niches. Like, for example, it's popular like in Eastern Europe, where it's like way more popular than WhatsApp. In Telegram, channels are basically, where you can just broadcast your messages to audience, and this is basically one-way messaging feed. So instead of, if you have a group chat, imagine everyone can send a new message. Here in the channel, only you as a channel owner can send a message and other people can only comment or react. So that's just basically the difference from the group chat. Imagine that this is basically like if you, for example, go on Facebook or Twitter X app, just go to someone's profile. Instead, you don't go to the news feed, you just go to the profile and then you just see just messages from one person and then you can just comment them or react. That's basically it, but in the form of Messenger. So it's kind of like reinventing some old school social media, but in kind of Messenger way. And it works. It's actually quite engaging depending on the content. And how to know if you have that feature? You can just basically go to the blog, this blog, and just tap on the link. And then if you can join this WhatsApp channel, it means, yeah, the channels are actually available for you and you can start using this feature. I tried it yesterday, and yesterday I received some kind of pop-up that channels are not yet available for you. But now I tried one day later and now they're available. So this feature is kind of rolled out slowly, meaning like it's available market by market, country by country during next few weeks. And then, yeah, after I joined this channel next day, this feature is available. And now how do you find it? You just find it on updates tab in the bottom left. And then you can just find different channels. So you can follow Zach. You can just find some messages like that. This is a new private way for you to get updates from people and organizations you follow. I'm starting this channel to share meta news and updates. Looking forward to connecting with you all around the world. So, and then, for example, you can just add the reaction. You can see all the reactions. You can just, I guess, tap and hold, and then you can just add a reaction like this, for example. That's how you add the reaction. Then in the upper right, you can see channel info. You can see how many followers. You can see this public channel profile privacy. You can share. You can see the description. You can enable or disable notifications. So yeah, this is, as a creator, this is a cool feature. You can also get and collect some followers, and that's basically what it is. So it's pretty cool feature. So as you can see, and then here I have my status, muted status, and that's, I think is actually will be quite a cool feature. And then you can just see some other creators here joining. There are just some first brands here. There are not that many people. So here you can just follow head of WhatsApp. You can see some popular channels. Of course, there are like channels Real Madrid, Barcelona. Usually right now it's just some brands, but I think soon there will be a lot more of some influencers. So this is just a good start for you, similar to Threads app. Just to start building out your profile. And then also you can find a channel, and then you will be able to create a channel. So you can also add your own status. And then, yeah. So that's what it is. So, yeah. here you can also go to their blog. There are a lot of info. So that's basically it. So there you have it. Hope that is helpful.